Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your QuickBooks Online account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add an attachment to a bank transaction in your QuickBooks? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add an attachment anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your business transactions are difficult to recall. So if you attach the receipt or maybe the business notes, it's going to help you remember in the future. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your QuickBooks Online account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my QuickBooks Online and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, what you want to do is click on this menu button here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to hover over transactions and then click on bank transactions. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the bank transactions that you need to review. So for example, I have to review this one, Coffee Bean and Paul's Place. So what we're going to do is go ahead and just click on the transaction that you want to add the attachment to. So for example, this one. Once you do that, you can go ahead and make edits, but you want to scroll down until you see this little paperclip and click on add attachment. Okay, I went ahead and added an attachment right here. And next you want to click on this green add button. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the transaction has been removed here. So if we want to see the transaction, what we're going to do is go here to expenses here on the left and hover over it and then click on expenses again. All right, once you do that, you're going to see the transaction right here. So if you want to see the attachment, all you're going to do is just click on the transaction right here. All right, once you do that, it's going to open up. And as you can see, the attachment is right down here. So we're going to be able to just click on the transaction attachment and it will open up. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add an attachment to a transaction in your QuickBooks Online, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.